Hello, everyone. Nadeem with PC.Solutions.Net. With a career spanning over 4 decades in the IT sector, I have both owned and managed several enterprises. My enthusiasm lies in devising innovative IT strategies for small to medium sized businesses. And I am recognized as an accomplished author of several publications in this domain. Welcome. Hi, today I'm joined by Daniela Chocoron. Daniela is going to talk about the different PSTN plan options available in Teams. PSTN plans allow Microsoft Teams to get connected to regular telephone network. So it's like basically having your regular phone within your Teams app. So you can dial phone numbers and people can dial you as well, and you get a regular phone number as well. So here's Daniela talking about the different options when it comes to Teams. And there are 4 different options. This is a lot more compared to pretty much any provider out there. So here's Daniela.
Hi, everyone. Really excited to be here with you all today. I'm Daniela Chocoron. I'm a senior product marketing manager focused on Microsoft Teams Phone. So I'm here to clear up some of the confusion and some of the questions that you may have on how to enable PSTN connectivity in Teams. Now we have, 4 great ways to connect PSTN connectivity with Teams Phone. So as you all know, Teams Phone, you can get, core and advanced call control capabilities. You also have the ability to place voice and video VoIP calls, and then PSTN as well, making and receiving calls. So there's each of these options, and really customer choice is at the center of our strategy and why we have all of these 4 options to meet your business and your IT needs. All of these options give you flexibility and choice. And the most important thing to know is that you don't have to choose one of these options. You could use a combination of the 4 based on your geographical coverage, your users' needs. As I mentioned, whether you need to, support on-prem or legacy systems, you can really use the combination that best fits what your organization needs and where you are too in terms of your telephony solution, the complexity that's needed. So now let's go through a little bit about what each of these options are. As I mentioned, each of these options, starting all the way from Teams calling plans to direct routing, offer a range of customization and flexibility based on the complexity of your current voice solutions and how they're set up. But let's start first kind of here on the left-hand side with Teams calling plans and what they are. So Teams calling plans are a really simple and easy way to add calling to your organization. As I mentioned, you can do this directly from the Teams Admin Center. You can purchase the licenses. You can assign them to your users very easily and just get set up in a matter of minutes. We currently offer Teams calling plans in 35 markets, but we're continuously expanding our geographical coverage as well. Also, if you have existing phone numbers, you can easily port them through, bring them over to Microsoft using the number porting wizard available in the Teams Admin Center. And then in terms of calling plans that are available today, there's 3 different calling plans that you can choose from: domestic calling plans, international calling plans, and we recently introduced pay-as-you-go calling plans as well. Now, let's talk about our newest offering, Teams Phone Mobile. Teams Phone Mobile is a seamless way to integrate your users' mobile identities with all the Microsoft Teams collaboration and productivity. With Teams Phone Mobile, a single SIM-enabled phone number serves as your desk phone number, your mobile number, and your Teams number. It's really easy for you to move calls across networks and devices without making sure that there isn't any call interruptions. You can easily transition calls from your cellular service on the go to Wi-Fi once you get to the office, and then bring in rich video calling enabled by VoIP. And you can also get access to call history, voicemail, transcriptions in Teams, and on your mobile device. And with unified presence, you can let colleagues know whenever you're available and whenever you're not.
Teams Phone Mobile is now available with Rogers in Canada, Telia in Sweden, Verizon in the US, Deutsche Telekom in Germany, and Swisscom in Switzerland. BT in the UK will launch soon.
So now we're going to talk about Operator Connect. Operator Connect allows organizations to maintain their existing PSTN services in Teams, and it gives you a lot of the benefits of simplified deployment, managed hardware, and shared support and SLAs with operators. And with Operator Connect, you can keep your existing contract with a participating operator that's part of the program. Or if you're looking for a new operator, you can see a full list of participating partners directly from the Teams Admin Center. Operator Connect gives you a lot of benefits that make it a really seamless and powerful PSTN option for you. As I mentioned, you can keep your existing operator contracts. You can very quickly deploy in Teams, just get set up in minutes by establishing the connection to your operator, quickly provision and assign phone numbers to users. It also allows you to reduce the cost of hardware and management that you might have with a traditional telephony solution, and then benefit from the enhanced support and reliability. Now we'll talk a little bit about direct routing, which is another alternate option. And this is for organizations that have very unique calling needs. As we talked about in the beginning of the call, organizations that have more customizable solutions, they need to support legacy hardware or on-premises telephony solutions. This is where direct routing really comes in and is a really powerful option. It's currently available in over 180 markets. As I mentioned, it's highly customizable and allows you to maintain your existing operator agreements and PSTN service. With direct routing, you can connect an SBC to almost any telephony trunk or interconnect with third-party PSTN equipment, which allows you to virtually use any PSTN trunk with Teams Phone, and also configure interoperability between telephony equipment such as third-party PBXs, analog devices, and Teams.